Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Too Faced, this is the Too Femme eyeshadow palette. Absolutely stunning. I love butterflies, so this packaging really appeals to me. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The pastel shades on it as well, I'm loving. So I actually picked this up recently from a beauty outlet for 15 quid. What a bargain. So the packaging of the palette itself looks like this. How cute. I love this. Really nice. And then we open it up and inside we have this absolutely beautiful colour story. I love this one here with the little butterfly imprint on the shadow. We have 6 shimmers and 8 mattes in here. So really beautiful ratio. And as I say, we've got some really nice pastel colours, but we've also got some really nice neutral tones in there as well. So it's a very usable everyday palette, I would say. So here's the swatches from the palette. I actually think these are really quite nice. Some of the shimmers were a little bit disappointing, if I'm being totally honest, like these two, probably these 3 actually just here. But I think they're more like toppers than like a full-on shimmer. These shimmers here, really nice though. It smells really nice as well. It smells kind of floral. Oh, that does smell nice, really perfumey. Right, okay, so I'm going to crack on and we'll try this palette out. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with just to set down my eye primer will be this one here in the top corner. Okay, that's absolutely fine. And then I'm going to go into my crease using the darkest shade, which is this kind of reddy toned brown just here. Lovely pigment on that one. Okay, and then I'm going to blend the edge of that out using this kind of larger shade just in the corner just here. Okay, that's really nice. So like that. And then I think what I'm going to do on this outer part here is kind of a dip between the two shades that I just used. So these two just here, and just build up that outer part of my lid just there. So kind of like that. It is pretty, but I do think that even though I went in with equal parts of the two colours, the darker colour has overpowered the lighter one quite a lot. But I'm still happy with it. I think it's nice. So then on the inner part of my eye here, I want to go in. I really love these green shades just here. But because, as I say, this one's more of a topper, I think I'm going to go in with the matte one first. And then I'm going to put the shimmer over the top of that one. That's a nice shade, really nice. This brush, by the way, it's stained, it's not dirty. It was a really dark blue that I used, and yeah, it's just stained my brush, it's fine. Okay, so because obviously it's blended into that really dark brown, it's gone a little bit muddy, I would say, but it's fine because I'm going to put a shimmer over the top of it. I have a feeling that this is going to be better with my finger, but I'm just going to try it with the brush first. Yeah, see, not much is coming off. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's really nice. It's crumbling though, all over my cheek. Definitely a shimmer where you want to do your base after your eyes, which I haven't. It's very pretty though. So like that. Right, so underneath what I'm going to do is take I think I'm going to take the shade that I used to blend out the darker colour, which was this one in the corner, and I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line there. And then what I think I'll do just to connect it to the dark shade is just literally pop a little bit of that shade just on the outer part. Just there, just to connect it. Lovely. Right, so I am going to take this shade here, which was another one which was a bit like a topper, but I'm going to use that on my inner corners. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's really nice. Okay then, I'm happy with that. Right, so I'm going to go away and pop some mascara on and some lippy, and I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I'm over the moon with this. I think it is so pretty. I really, really like it. This greeny shade on the inner corner, I love. I think it's really nice. I'm glad I put the matte underneath and then went over with the kind of shimmery topper, because I think that, you know, did the world of good for the colour. I think it's really brought that sparkle out. And yeah, these kind of more neutral shades on the outside, they're blended beautifully. Really, really happy with them. Really, really nice little palette. I like it. I think it's lovely. So as always, the products used in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.